It's from Wine and Country Gift Baskets. I actually got this gift basket from work during the holidays, and gonna open it up and show you guys the contents. Let's get right into opening this thing up. Alright, let's look at the first item in the front. It's like we have here a Godiva, truffles. The next item we have is some hummus. Next we have some cashews, followed by some Italian snack crisps. Next we have some coconut macaroons, followed by some brownie brittles, chocolate chip. Next we have some hot honey crunch snacks. Some hazelnut cookies. We have a brown butter cookie. Next we have some Ghirardelli chocolate. It's like these things are all stuck together, but it's a variety of caramel popcorn and also some golden hazelnut cookies, as well as a Lindor cookie chocolate. Looks like there's a bottle of olives. There's a Toblerone chocolate, as well as some chocolate mint cookies. Next we have some wafers. Some mini cranberry and sesame cookies. And the last item we have here, some round crackers. And nothing in the bottom of the box, as it's just for display. Let me know in the comment section below what you think would be the best snack in this gift box. Also, this gift box is available on Costco. I'll provide a link to the item number. It looks like it was a holiday special. If you like this video, check out this one right here on the left and this one on the right. Thank you for watching What Stanley Said. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe.